Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify store for print on demand. First, you will need to create your Shopify account, choosing a memorable name. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business goals, perhaps starting with the basic plan for $29 per month. Then, customize your store's theme to match your brand, ensuring a cohesive look. Finally, configure crucial settings such as your store's currency and shipping regions. Now, let's integrate your print-on-demand app. Browse the Shopify App Store for a reputable POD provider like Printful or Printify and install it. Connect the app to your Shopify store, granting necessary permissions. Within the app, explore a wide array of products, from t-shirts to mugs, and create compelling design mock-ups. It is crucial to understand your chosen partner's pricing, production times, and fulfillment process before proceeding. With your POD app connected, it is time to design your products and storefront. Upload your unique designs to the chosen products, ensuring high resolution. Write engaging product descriptions that highlight benefits and add several high-quality images. Organize your offerings into intuitive collections, making it easy for customers to browse. Finally, design an attractive storefront with clear navigation and prominent calls to action, guiding visitors through their shopping journey. Before launching, develop a robust marketing strategy to attract customers. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok and build an email list for targeted campaigns. Set up secure payment gateways, offering popular options like PayPal and credit card processing. Double-check all settings, conduct a test order, and then confidently launch your store. You are now ready to start selling and fulfilling print-on-demand orders, building your brand one sale at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.